Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. By the way, this is Mentor Chirba, a political science instructor, and my goal here is to guide students on their studies. In case if you are new here, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. In case if you are done, then let's start! We are already done discussing what is the meaning of culture, the simple definition of culture. So now we will be discussing what is cultural determinism. Okay, so it says here that cultural determinism is the belief that the culture dictates our behavior widely through economic, political organizations, educational, and religious elements rather than our biological genes. So, ano daw ang paniniwala ng cultural determinism? Okay, so if you have any idea, please write them down in the comment section para makita natin after this tutorial. Alright, so when we say cultural determinism, according to that definition, it says that our beliefs or yung mga paniniwala natin, yung the way of life natin, yung language natin, kung anong gusto nating pagkain, paano tayo manamit, paano yung mga belief natin sa mga bagay-bagay, yung mga yan daw ay affected ng kultura kung saan tayo nagising. Okay, yung mga kinagisnan nating kultura. And those culture were passed on from generations to generation. Kaya ngayon, kumakain ka ng bigas dahil yan ang kulturang Pilipino. So, pagising, pagmulat pa lang ng mga mata natin, sinimulan na ng ating mga ninuno, yung pagkain ng kanin or yung rice. Okay? So, that's one. And others, yung mga paborito nating musika, yung lengguwahe natin, yung mga yan na pasa-pasa at pinapaniwalaan ng mga tao. Okay, so sabi ng cultural determinism, uulitin ko, yung kultura daw na nakikita natin, siya daw yung nagsha-shape kung ano ang ugali meron tayo or ano yung mga pinapaniwalaan natin. So, the culture will dictate who we are. Okay? Nadidetermine ang kaugalian daw ng isang tao because of the culture of the place where he or she is living. So that is the belief of cultural determinism. And if you want to clarify more, please write them down in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my latest uploads. Alright, so goodbye everyone!